If less reading is what you're needing, then this summary with Sunny is right up your alley. All right, so before you read this article, you could watch this video and you can get a quick summary on what it's about.
Hey there, Sunny here from KEES Lending. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Bankruptcy isn't the end of your homeownership journey. If you've gone through a Chapter 7 here in Sacramento, you might think you're locked out of refinancing for years. That's the story traditional lenders tell. But in 2025, it's no longer true. With the right non-QM refinance strategy, many homeowners are getting back on track in as little as 12 to 24 months. Here's the deal. Conventional banks often make you wait 4, 5, even 7 years after a bankruptcy before they'll even look at your application. Non-QM lenders play by different rules. They focus less on your past and more on where you are now. That means they'll consider your current income through bank statements, your assets, your equity position, and how you've been managing payments since your discharge. Even if your credit score is still recovering, some programs allow approvals with scores in the high 500s or low 600s. And the benefits are huge. You can refinance into a lower rate to cut your monthly payments, consolidate leftover debt into one manageable mortgage, or even pull out equity to fund home improvements. Most importantly, you're turning the page and rebuilding your financial credibility one payment at a time. Think about it this way. A non-QM refinance isn't just about getting a new loan. It's a strategy to rebuild. Lowering your debt-to-income ratio helps improve your credit. Making consistent on-time payments builds history again. And cash-out refis can help you move away from high-interest credit cards or hard money loans that are holding you back. This isn't about second chances in theory. It's about putting real tools in your hands so you can move forward with confidence. So if you're a Sacramento homeowner who's been through Chapter 7, don't assume you're stuck. Bankruptcy is just one chapter, not the whole story. With the right non-QM refinance, you can protect your home, restore your finances, and write your comeback story. At KEES Lending, our motto is simple questions deserve simple answers. We specialize in helping homeowners in recovery find real solutions that make sense today, not 5 years from now. Head over to keeslending.com or give us a call, and let's talk about how we can help you rebuild with a smarter refinance strategy.